Hey people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate. And today we're gonna talk about the Home Business Academy, the all-in-one $25 business, and case studies, my lead gen secrets in particular, but any way you promote it as well. Um, as you all know, I have recently found this to be the best affiliate program I have ever seen in my life. It's 80 cents. It's 80% commissions, and you can make $120 per month per customer, as you can see right here. 80% of what the sale is. So basically this is like 80% of 120, 145, something like that. You get 120 of the 145 to customers, something like that. It's probably not exactly that, now I think about it. I don't know. Anyway, something like that. And that's insanity, especially for residual, recurring income. 80% with recurring. The highs on scene for recurring income is 40, and that was crazy. 80% is wild. So yeah, I wanted to get back in and see if I can make some money off of this. All right, so yesterday I got a ton of clicks, but I did not get a sale. Fine. So I wasn't in love with the email I sent. I want to try sending my emails this time. So that's what we're gonna do here. The email didn't do too well. My emails always tend to do pretty well, so we're gonna try one of mine. Is oh yeah, if you want to join the all-in-one $25 business or my lead gen secrets or any of this stuff, it's all links in the description, guys. All links in the description. We got a secret weapon with my lead gen secret, guys. Let's use it. All right, so let's go back to I want. First come. Making money first week. Here we go. Here it go right here. Alright, so we just replace this with that right there. We just send this email. Alright, it looks pretty solid. So we're just gonna send this email here and see what happens. Yeah, that's it. Done. Make sure to click on perfect timing. Perfect timing does send an email around the time people check their email. So yeah, make sure to do that. So that was it, guys. Oh, I forgot to hit the preview and make sure the thing works. I'm pretty sure it works. Yeah, it works. So we got to go to the next account here. We're gonna go and knock this out. Log out. Log in here. We're gonna do this. We're gonna next account. Log in like that. And let's see. We're gonna copy paste here. Money in the first week. First week. Pretty simple to do in general. And this program is just amazing. Trying to get people into it. Use my lead gen. I haven't gotten a sale yet, but I got faith. You know what I mean? And like, I'm building residual income, so a sale in this system is worth so much more. It's worth so much more. You can make $120 per month on each customer. I gotta make sure I reiterate that this is the best affiliate program I have ever seen in my life. I have looked all over the internet. This is the best one by far. The potential is insane. All right, so let's keep going. I'm sorry, I just had to speak on that. Go to the next account here. Boom. This account. Iffy. Not Sporty Siffy, I did the wrong one. Okay. I was like, hold up. Wait. Sorry about that, guys. I messed up there. Excuse me there. So here we go. Click all of these. Now, what I want to do. Okay, so we got basically got all the emails. That account. I was just wondering. I ain't sent these. I ain't sent my emails, my personal emails, in a real long time. Alright, that's pretty much it, guys. That's pretty much it. And basically what is going on here, you get a funnel, a really nice funnel actually. Let me show y'all the funnel that you get, the billing funnel that you can use. You get, these are actual products that you're paying for. These ain't like one of them other programs where you kind of just buy stuff to buy stuff. This is actually a program here. So you get a funnel builder here. And it's so quick and slick. This is a easy page to do. And the cool thing about this funnel builder, right? Let's say, let's go here. I'm not gonna do it because I'm using this. I'm getting viewers and stuff for this, visitors. I'm not personally gonna do this, but right now. But what you can do, you will see multiple accounts. You'll see multiple accounts. You can add page and pop-ups. You can use a URL redirect and make your links look really good. You can do a lot of stuff in this program. It's very easy to build with. As you can see, it's drag and drop. Very responsive, very fast and quick. I don't want to really mess this up because I'm using this page, but in general, yeah. Really clean funnel builder. And this right here, it teaches you all about traffic. It's so much information, guys, and it's people showing you exactly how to do things, and it's depending on the traffic, depending on the person teaching you. So they have multiple experts in different ways of making money, which is really cool. It's not just one guy saying, you know, this is how you do this, this is how you do that. It's like multiple people, different people depending on the traffic they mastered promoting this product. All right, so that's a really cool thing. Like, say, get traffic for free. Now this is going to be different from somebody like YouTube ranking. It's going to be a different person from, like, you know, Facebook ads or whatever it may be. And you get paid and like solo ad training is going to be a different person than Facebook ad training or Facebook video ad training. It's different people based on the people, and you get live coaching, so you can enter these situations and talk to people all the time. Whenever you want to ask them questions and such. It's a lot of HM Premium Telegram where you can talk people and tell them exactly what you're doing, how they think they can help you and stuff. So it's a bunch of ways for them to help you and stuff. So this is a very effective product. I think it's very good and very easy to do, and it's very easy to start making money off of this because once you start, it snowballs quick. Like like I stated before, you only need 10 people to make $1,200 a month. 10 people. That's all you need to make $1,200 a month. Do you know people can live off of that? There's places where people can live off of that. My hometown, where I live right now, to get me an apartment for $400 a month. I could almost live off of that if I was to minimize my spending. I could almost live off of that. $1,200 a month. Just 10 people now. What if you get 50? What if you get 100? You get 100, you're six figures earner. Like good into six figures too. Like you just didn't crawl in now. You like at 120 a year if you get 100 people in, and then you get 100 more people in there the next year. 240. Next thing you know, boom, you get 1,000 people in it. Now you're making $1 million a year. Just that quick. It's residual income, so you don't have to keep getting a crazy amount of sales. It just adds on, constantly adding on. That's why this is the best program I have ever seen, and I think everybody should be into this. Even if you want to make money, you like the funnel, you like the people coaching, any of the products in the program. It's a bunch of products. Well, it's only like 3 products, but they very well built and very useful. Taxes. There's a product that teaches you about taxes and all of this and that. Teach you how to save money on taxes. It's a lot of stuff in this that's just so useful that people don't really think about when it comes to affiliate marketing. And people are spending, they spending way more money than they should because they don't understand how the taxes work or whatever. And believe me, taxes is a headache. So it's a lot of stuff in this product that is just so enticing. And people, I think this is the best product I have ever found. I have checked out a lot of products. This is the best one because it don't strain you on finding, like, it don't strain you by hoping that you get a bunch of sales every single time to make your, like, I ain't got to get 100 sales this month and then got to get 100 sales next month. If I get 100 sales, I'm good. And whatever above that is just extra income. It just keeps building up. That's the cool thing about this program. And I think people need to really understand that. So I know I'm talking in circles. I'm sorry about that. I'm just really excited. Once I figure this out, if all the links is in the description, you want to get behind this and try this out as well. Best product on the market by far. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell. The links are in the description below. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.